The fifth thing to organize your Google Drive is something that you'll kind of keep in mind more on a day-to-day basis from here on out, and it's when to make a copy of a file versus when to add a shortcut to your Google Drive for a file. So I have two Google slide presentations pulled up already. Neither one of them do I own. This one is from Madame Alexander. Let's say that I'm a French teacher and I want to use these pictures for something coming up in one of my lessons, and I don't want to just use her copy of it. I want to add some stuff in, maybe another slide or two, or be able to point out some of the vocabulary that's going on in these pictures. I want my own copy of it so that I don't mess up hers. I can go to File, make a copy of the entire presentation, and then decide where to put it in my Google Drive. And then I can edit it from there. As opposed to something that became available to us probably within the last year and a half. We had a way to do it prior to that, but it was kind of complicated. Here's another presentation that I don't own. Mrs. Church owns it. But I want to have this in my drive so that I don't have to keep going back to an email or Canvas course to find the link for it. I want to have it in my drive and just be able to search one lunch, and I want to be able to get the updates that Mrs. Church or other administrators add into this document. You notice again, I only have view only rights, which that's fine. I'm not making any changes to this. I'm going to click on this little icon up here in between the star and the syncing with the cloud button, and I'm going to add a shortcut to this file to my drive. Literally like just putting a shortcut on a desktop. I'm going to put a shortcut to this document in my Google Drive. So I select my drive, and I can further go into my drive and find like my one lunch folder, and I could put it in there, and then I would click add shortcut here. I may want to put the shortcut in several different folders. I can keep doing that process. If for some reason you don't see this little icon up here, that has the outline for the Google Drive icon with the plus. You can also find this under File, Add Shortcut to Drive.